And he's yelling, get the fuck out of here.
Let's get it. I'm off a 16 passenger. This a G5, no, this not a Challenger. Big one. I keep some members with me in the fridge. Get coat seats, they some cannibals.
Conscious.
Yo, what is going on, Dank fam? We are live. Another squid on a dirt bike out here at Croom. Yes, your boy is out here for the second time on the KTM excf 500. We got another fellow KTM rider, and then we got Austin. He just can't chill for a second while we get ready, but we're about to go ride for the first time. We got Savage Stunts and Cowgirl Stunts coming out here. This thing is a piece. You ready to ride? Damn, she's juicing out there. So as you guys know, I don't really have much dirt experience. This is my second time out. First time was pretty fun, a lot of learning. I took some advice from you guys in the comments, and I'm gonna apply it in today's riding. I also got some boots finally. Nothing to really brag about as far as what they are, but they work. Some fly racing boots. What up, dog? I bet my clutch lever on the last trip, so we got an orange clutch lever. So the 4-stroke versus all the older 2-strokes. I already feel way more confident having these boots. All right, where we going? Oh, shit. Straight to it. Woo! All right, I have no clue. Oh, shit. I've never taken this route. Granted, I've only been here once, but this is all new to me. A little more advanced start now than what I did last time. Well, they come here often. So looks back, I'm right there. Ooh, cracked my neck. Oh, okay. Alright, that got really intimidating really quick. Woo! Hey! I'm watching this one. Wow, that thing is up there. Oh my god, that... Woo! Woo! What's the baby ones? It probably looks way more intimidating than actually going up it, huh?
Yeah, especially that one that's paved.
Yeah.
It's super easy.
Yeah, because it's got the brick in it too.
Huh? You
You got like bricks in there to give you grip. Oh, let's go! Oh yeah, give me that, Austin. Straight sawing up that thing. Yeah, I remember this area. More up my alley. Still pretty cool to ride through, but nothing super insane. Oh! And one thing about boots that I don't like is you're hitting the foot brake and you don't even realize it. Oh yeah, going through this. Okay. Going down is just as intense as going up. Slope stuff. Come on, dig. Dig. These boots are so weird. Alright, we lost somebody. Where's our 5th KTM at? We've got to go back. He's back there. We gotta go find our guy. What happened? Can you look dead for the video? No!
My leg on my motor when I went down. Sorry, I just when I popped it up, it didn't come off before it went forward.
Oh, you like endoed? Yeah. I was just saying that as I was going down. I was like, going down slope stuff is just as sketchy as going up it. Alright, that's one way to turn it. Let's go. So we're taking a quick break and stop at our parking spot and get some drinks. Got trials bikes chilling. Oh no! Oh, I'm stuck in the. Oh, look at that! Do you see that?
Everybody gets stuck there the first time.
In that log?
Yeah.
Oh, these boots are odd. A lot of comfort lost. A lot of safety added, so it's a weird toss-up. When you hit that rear brake with some boots on, you really hit it. Ooh, props to Cali Girl Stunts. We haven't rode in a while in general, which, as you guys may know, the long-time subscribers, she's a stunt rider. Kills it on a 636. Absolute drift queen. And now she's killing it on these hill climbs and stuff. It's so cool to see what my friends have been up to lately. Oh, fuck. Woo! Round 1 in the books, people. They ride a little harder than my last group. We just kind of like to stop and light forest fires in certain places. Break time. All right, we back, baby. Oh, we got the 450L. Where we going? Up here? Oh yeah, the lower air pressure in the rear, a little in the front, definitely helping. Basically the tail isn't sliding as much. It's more predictable when it does. Come on. Where's that meme? They say, what sounds better, Yamaha or KTM? Okay. Something feels a little loose. Or not loose, but crooked. Woo. Crossing up. The rear brake's so uncomfortable. Trials up here. That's sick. Are they mad? Look at the skull up there. No, I'm good. It's my starter hill climb. Oh, whoa, 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 whoa. Alright, alright. Whoa, getting down now. That's the fun side. Super thin. Oh shit. That was sketch, bro. I just sent it. I was not hyped for that. Woo! Dude, I went up that thing, people.
That's why it's called Suicide Hill.
Suicide Hill, because they jump off that?
See the guy yelling?
Yeah, I seen the guy yelling.
So you guys, I was last, and he's yelling, "Get the fuck out of here! Get out of here!" Last time we were here?
Yeah, it's like the trials trolls.
Brand new 300. Oh, was that one? This one right here. Launched it to the moon, bro, and fell right down into the pit. Him and his bike.
Oh my god. He probably got hurt. Look at that. We got Callie in the mix. Going down this bitch. Woo. Something stuck. Oh my shit. Holy moly, I couldn't stop. Oh, it's a little deep. Oh, we're just gasped everything out of me. Woo! Yeah, just digging it, boy. Heading out some normal trails now, maybe more climbing. $500 handling it, man. I'm loving this bike the more I ride it off road. Yeah, just idling through this stuff. Whoa! I think my biggest thing today is the boots, because I'm used to being on the foot brake all the time from the legs down. I feel like they're like one with the bike. Oh, that's pretty dope looking. Yeah, get in there, Austin. I really want to get a pipe and stuff for this bike to see if that's my excuse for it stalling all the time, getting the tuner and stuff. Other than that, I love it. Maybe adjust the suspension with some good advice. Okay, smooth and rugged. Oh, Austin! These bark busters keep moving. That's okay, I'm not blaming you, bike. It's all my squidness, my wormness. Oh, I look super sketch with the two-stroke smoke now. Come on! Come on! Come on! Woo! Woo! Oh my god, dude! Yeah! Hey, let's go! Whoever got bay flighted, whoever got the fire trucks out here taken to the hospital, hope y'all are doing okay. They're right out here, let's get it! Trying to hit this paved hill climb. Yeah, all this stuff doesn't look the same now I've been riding it for a minute. Way less intimidating. Let's go, we'll let it go! Woo! Rocks. I don't want to mess that landing up. Woo-wee! Sliding down that bit. Oh, my mirror. There it is. You kids have fun, I'll just film.
Just woke up, I've been dodging all my problems, but they finally catching up. I don't care about what they say in Saudi, I don't give no fucks. Yeah, haze for the day, probably for
No! No! Alright, people. This is it. Yeah! Yeah, buddy! Woo! Yeah, I got a little ballsy on that one. 421 miles, people. So I want to say I jumped it at the 420 mile on this bike. That was probably the highest we got so far. I honestly didn't see myself hitting that today, so I'm so hyped. On the stock tires too. Straight out of the dealership. This is what the bike's like still. I have yet to get mods for it. We got these markers. What's this pink for? You guys know? Oh shit, that's the other one? Gotta take notes on this. Cali Girl Stunt is up first. Oh, starting over. Let's get it! Yep! Yeah! I didn't really see the entry. That bitch is high. Oh, we got the finger on that one. You got this nasty pit of sand trying to get your speed.
I thought you were gonna go tumbling and you saved it pretty well.
I was on the bike, I was like, yo, you need help? And it's like fucking rolling that.
I couldn't help it. Like, I'm using the brakes and they're still just sliding like a landslide. I'm like, all right, well, you let me know when you're ready to stop flying down the hill. $5 on the line. Can he make it? Yeah! Oh, shit. Whoa!
Yeah! Yeah!
Damn, now it's your turn, bro.
Yeah. You gotta go.
I already did it.
Oh, man.
Let me see your camera.
Oh, you're good. Hey, that gave me more air. Yeah. No, you're good. That was my first time hitting that shit. Scared the shit out of me. Yeah.
Too late. I couldn't do nothing.
Yeah. No! Oh! No! You good?
Oh my god. The nut.
Dude. Alright, we did it, people. Oh. We're walking this thing. Oh my gosh, my guy okay? Effed him up. I couldn't make it up.
He did it?
I don't know, effed him up. I know it was my fault. Oh! I'm sorry, bro. I think it was me. I heard.
I heard him yelling. I knew I couldn't do anything. I was like, no.
He got hit by the Spitter 500, bro.
He sacrificed.
Damn, bro. Yo, look at the front of his bike. It's just covered in dirt.
I'm sorry.
Yo,
Is it when I got stuck and you caught up to me and we were like,
I had to stop and I was like, oh fuck, and then you fucking he's like, put the fucking hammer down, dude.
yeah.
Fuck yeah.
Yeah, yeah.
When I yelled is when I had to stop in the middle of the fucking...
Him opening his mouth is probably like mid-dirt. Like, no.
I hate it.
Alright, let's go. We got Austin.
Oh, he made it.
Ooh! Oh! Oh no! Oh yeah, it saved it. I can be a dirt bike hero, baby. Keep caressing us, it's helping. You got the front? Look at this, beautiful. I'll hit a wheelie, pull it up maybe, and flip it around. I like wheeling.
Alright guys, the GoPro officially died. I'm gonna say later to y'all, we got Savage Stars, Cowboy Go Stunts out here. We got Austin, we got your man Scuba out here. KTM gang. The 21-500 did its thing, people. Super hyped for this ride. Made some progress, actually made up that and a lot bigger things. Hope you guys enjoyed. Feel free to like, comment, subscribe. Like always, keep it dank. Later!